Hi guys, this is Appleline Soda, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego soda machine. First off, you'll need a 4x6 plate, and then you'll need one of these little black slope things, and you place it right here. Then you'll need two 1x4 bricks. You'll place them like this. Then you'll need a 1x2 brick. You put it behind this, like so. And then you get two of these slope things, and you'll put it behind this, like that. Then you'll need this little pointy thing, and you put it right here. Then you'll need just a 2x2 plate with a 2x2 brick on top. You just place it behind it. And then you need two more individual slopes, and you put them on top. And to complete the base, you just get a little vent or like a flat piece, and you put it right in front right there. And there you have your base. Next is the second story of the soda machine. You need to start off with two 1x2 bricks. You stack them on top of each other. Then you get a 1x4, and you stack the 2x1s on top of that, like this. And then you get two 1x4s, and you place them on top like this. And then you get two 1x1s, and you place them right here. Next, specifically for this side, you get two 1x1s, and you stack them on top of each other. And then you get a 1x2 brick, and you place it behind it. And then for the other side, you just get a 1x1 brick and a 1x2 brick, or just a 1x3. And then for the bottom of these little things, you need to get a 1x3, and then a little 1x2, and then two studs. Oops. Like this, and then you get a 1x4 and put it on top of that. Like this, and then you repeat the same thing on the other side. So it'll end up looking like something like this. And you have completed your second story. Finally, I am going to show you how to make the top part. First, you'll need two of these little Technic pieces. Sort of cool. You need a 1x4. And you place these two Technic pieces on top. Then you get a 1x4 brick, and you place it on top. Then you get a 1x2, a 1x4 on this side, and then a 1x2 on this side. So, oops, like this. Then for this side, you'll need a 1x4 brick. You'll place it under this black piece. And then you will need 2 1x1s, or just a 1x2. And you'll just place it like this. Sorry. And then to work on, now we go to the other side. And on this side, you get a 1x2 brick with a little stud under it. And you put it right here. And then you get a 1x4 little plate. And you put it over here like this. And then coming back to this side, you get a 1x1 brick, and then a 1x2 brick, and then you also get a 1x2 and this L-shaped piece, if you can see. And then all you do is you just put it on top like that, and then you just put this under here, and you get this blue, just a 1x2, and you put it right here. And then onto the back, you get a 1x2 brick, and you put it right here. And you get another L-shaped thing, and you put it right here. And then you get a 1x2 brick with a 1x2 thing on top and on the bottom, and you put it right here. So you should get something like this. Then on this side, you get a stud to fill up this gap. And then you get a 1x2. And then for the back, you get one of these 1x4s. And you just place it out on the back. And then to make the buttons for your soda machine, it's pretty much just a little cylinder thing with a stud on it. And then one of these. Sometimes they're also blue too, so. And then, so you make 2 of these because you're going to have 2 different types of sodas. And then you put them in these holes. Just the. And then you have completed the top part of your soda machine. Now, putting your soda machine together. First, you'll need to take your base, and then take your second floor. Your second floor, the blue part, or whatever is facing on this side, should be facing that way. So, you just go like this, and then you put this gap in here over this thing. So yeah, you just put it on. And then try to find something that you can cover the top with entirely. So I just used another 4x6 and I just place it on top. And that is how you put your soda machine together. Now, to use your soda machine, all you do is just, let's say I want a red soda. So then in this case, I'll push the red button, and I got a red soda. And then if I want a green soda, I get a green soda. And it's quite simple. And then to refill it, you just open the top, you push these outwards, and then you just put the sodas back, And then you close the lid and you do it again.